all the young people who are home in their God-given homelands. How cute are they? Look at the beautiful Staff David. Here comes the rest. Look at this young cutie one. Very last one with the beautiful Israeli flag. They're home in their God-given homelands. God bless Israel and God bless all of the amazing followers of Israel around the world. Here comes the last one. This is downtown in Jerusalem on a beautiful, beautiful Hanukkah day. Happy Hanukkah, everybody.